Right. So what is the fifth problem, CM, everyone? First you go through the fifth problem. Right. Everyone see fifth problem is, I am going to start the, okay. Right. Everyone see fifth problem is, show that the signum function, show that signum function, show that signum function F map R to R, domain also R, codomain also R, given by what is the defined by or given by f of x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to 1. So if x is greater than 0, if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is equal to less than 0. So is neither 1 1 nor onto. We have to show that neither 1 1 nor onto is neither 1 1 is neither 1 1 not a 1 1 neither 1 1 neither 1 1 nor onto. We have to show that this is the relation. Neither 1 1 nor onto. Everyone see. First I will draw the figure. After that, first given is the F is a mapping from R to R. Domain also real numbers. Codomain also real numbers. Domain also real numbers. First set is the domain. Second set is the codomain. Okay, na? Domain and f of x is given by signum function definition 1, x is greater than 0, x is equal to 0, minus 1, x is less than 0. Right. First I will draw the figure. What are the real numbers? Already we know that. First set is the real numbers. Second set also real numbers. Second set also real numbers. So second set also real numbers. So real numbers mean all positive values, negative values, minus infinity, 1, 2, 3, up to plus infinity. Here also, not clear me, I will write some big figure. See, 0, minus 1, minus 2 to minus infinity, 1, 2, 2, 3 to plus infinity. Draw, this is the figure of codomain and domain also write off. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 to minus infinity, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. This is domain. Domain also R. R to R is the relation. What he is telling. X is greater than, X is 0 and mapping also 0. X is 0 and Y also, f of x also 0. 1 is completed. All the positive values. So all the positive values 1, 2 also positive, 3 also positive, 4 also positive, up to infinity also positive. All are showing the one value. So different elements have no different images. One is not there. One element, one image is not there. Number of elements have the same image. Therefore, it is not a 1 1. All the negative values. What is the negative values is represented by minus 1. All the negative values are represented by minus 1. Therefore, 1 1 is not there. One element has no one image. all elements have one image, therefore it is not a 1, 1 function. -1, -2, -3 up to minus infinity have the same image -1. +1, +2, +3 up to plus infinity have the same image 1. Right. Next, codomain is all the negative values, all the positive values. Codomain. Codomain is all the real numbers. All the real numbers mean all the natural numbers, all the integers, all the rational numbers, all the irrational numbers. But range is only -101. Range is only -101. So range and codomain is not equal. Range and codomain is not equal. Once again you can see. Real numbers is the first set. Second set also real number. First set is the domain also real number. Codomain also real number. What is the definition here? Above zero means positive. X is greater than 0 means X is positive. Already I will tell in inequality. X is, camera is blue, sir. Lalit Kumar Nausi, Amma. Lalit Kumar Nausi. Lalit Kumar Nausi. Clear? Okay. Right, see everyone observe the figure. So here is X greater than 0. Inequality is telling that. So X is positive. For all positive values have the 1 is the image. Already telling. For all positive values, 1 is the image. For all X less than 0. X less than 0 means X is negative. Inequality is telling X is negative. For all negative values, image is -1. So 1, 1 is not there. 1, 1 is not there. One element have no one image. All elements have the only one image is the -1. No different elements, different images. Different elements have no different images. Okay, na? Therefore it is not a 1, 1. Next, codomain is all the real numbers. Codomain is all the real numbers. All the real numbers mean positive values, negative values. See, all the real numbers. But range is only -1, 0, +1. Mapping elements is only 3. But codomain and the range is not equal. Simply we say that it is not a onto function. So neither 1, 1 nor onto. How can you write, sir? This is the main. First write down 1, 1 function. 1, 1. First definition write down. For all x1, x2 belongs to domain R such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1 is equal to x2. That implies we have to show that x1 is equal to x2. But what happens is for all f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, all positive values up to infinity, f of infinity, all have the same image 1. For all negative values, -1, f of -2, f of -3, up to -infinity, f of -infinity have the images -1. So images are repeated, therefore it is not a 1, 1. One element have one image, no one element. Different elements have the same image, therefore it is the image is repeated for all elements, therefore f is not a 1, 1. So different here is f is, how can you write? So all positive values have the same image. All positive values of domain. Positive values positive values of domain have same image, same image in codomain, same image in codomain. So therefore, F is not a 1-1. F is not injective. F is not injective. Okay, na? Therefore, F is not injective. This point is clear, everyone? This point is clear, na? F is not injective. Okay, na? F is not injective. Right, onto already we know that codomain, all the values, but range is not equal. Codomain and range is not that matter. We are going to write. Everyone see onto is. For onto, I am going to write. What is the onto is? Everyone see onto. Let y is equal to f of x. That is equal to y is equal to only three values, -1, 0, -1, x greater than 0, x equal to 0, x less than 0. Therefore, so what we say that remaining elements except -1, 0, 1, remaining elements have no pre-images in the domain. So remaining accepted -1, 0, 1, other elements of codomain, have no pre-image in domain, Therefore, F is not subject to. Here is therefore, codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. Therefore, F is not subject to. Okay, now? Clearly understand? If we draw the figure, means every point should be understand. If we draw the figure, means we clearly understand. Okay, now? Only these problems are depending upon the figure only. If you draw the figure, means easy for doing the problems. Okay, now? Right. I go through the sixth problem. What is the sixth problem is? Right. Everyone see sixth problem. Sixth problem is let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. And F is given by 1, 2, 4 image. 1 image is the 4, 2 image is the 5, and 3 image is the 6. Be a function from A to B. Show that F is a 1, 1 or not a 1, 1. Only 1, 1 you have to check. F is a 1, 1 or not a 1, 1. F is a 1, 1 or not a 1, 1. Okay, na? Rani is giving the answer. F is a 1, 1 or not a 1, 1. I will draw the figure. See, everyone. First, A set is given 1, 2, 3. A set is given 1, 2, 3. And B set is given 4, 5, 6, 7. B set is given 4, 5, 6, 7. B set is given 4, 5, 6 to 7. What is the 1 have image is 4, 2 have image is 5, 3 have image is 6. one element have one image. One element have one image. Therefore, it is a 1, 1, not a subjective. Why it is not a subjective? Codomain is a 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, but range is the 4, 5, 6. Not equal, not a. So range is not equal to codomain. It is not a function. Simply write down. So it is a 1, 1, 1 write down. Simply 1, 1 write down. A one element has one element of the domain. Every element of domain, every element of domain has one image, one image in codomain, in codomain. In codomain set B, in codomain set B, domain set A has, right, one image in codomain set B. Therefore, F is injective. F is injective. Therefore, F is injective. Onto not a onto, it is not a onto. Why? Codomain is the 4, 5, 6, 7. Range is the only 4, 5, 6. Codomain and range is not equal. It is not a onto. Now simply I will write. So codomain is a, what is the codomain elements are? 4, 5, 6, 7. Range elements are, what are the range elements is? 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Both are equal or not equal? Codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. Therefore, F is not subject to. 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 Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Na? Right. Is it clear? Right. If I go through the 7th problem. In each of the following cases, one time see the two problems is given among. Right. Everyone see the 7th problem. We should observe the 7th problem, everyone. So see the 7th problem is, right. Everyone see the 7th problem. What is the 7th problem is, now observe, 2 bits are given. Is a 1, 1 onto or bijective? Justify your answer. First bit, 7th problem, first bit. F is a domain also R, range also R. Defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. Is a 1, 1 onto na or bijective na? We are going to discuss this point. Okay na? 1, 1 onto and bijective. Both we are going to discuss about this point. Okay na? Right. Everyone see. First I go through the 1, 1. 1, 1 means first write down the definition for all x1, x2 belongs to domain R. Next, such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We have to show that x1 is equal to x2. Right, everyone take f of x1 is equal to f of x2 That implies 3 minus 4x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x2. By x replace with x1, 3 minus 4x1, x replace with x2, 3 minus 4x2. Cancellation, 3 cancel, minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. Minus 4 cancel, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, F is surjective. Therefore, F is injective. Right, 1 point is completed. Okay, na? 1 point is completed. Right, now go through the onto function. What is the onto function is? Let y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to, what is the f of x is given by 3 minus 4x. Immediately x value find out. Immediately x value find out. What is the x value is? So y bring on the left hand side, 4x bring on the right hand side. 4x is equal to 3 minus y. 4x is equal to 3 minus y. So 4x bring on the left hand side, y bring on the right hand side. X is equal to 3 minus y by 4 fraction. Every fraction belongs to real number. It is a fraction. 3 minus y by 4 is a fraction. Every fraction belongs to real number. Therefore, F is surjective. F is surjective. So it is a both 1 also, surjective also. Therefore, it is a bijective. That implies F is bijective. Very simply we can solve. Very simply we can solve. No means one value we can substitute here. Any one, see x is y is equal to 1. We can take substitute x is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 belongs to R. X is equal to 1 by 2 belongs to R. Is it clear? So anyone have the doubt means we can check. Okay, na? Anyone have the doubt means we can check. Right, see. You have doubt means one value you can write down and check. No objection. Yes. 10 minus 1, anyone. Not 10 minus 1. 3 minus y by 4. 3 minus y by 4. Y place I will take 1. Y place I will take 1. X is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means what is the value is? 2 by 4 means what is the value is? 1 by 2. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 also belonging to the real number. No doubt na bhai? Okay. Right. Everyone go through the second bit of the seventh one. Seventh one, go through the second bit. F of x is equal to 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Immediately draw the figure. First you have to draw the figure. So everyone observe. First you have to draw the figure. After that we go through the problem. First this is the draw the figure because of x square term. Because of it is the x square term. Is it clear now? Right, see. Real numbers. What are the real numbers? 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to minus infinity. 1, 2, 3, up to plus infinity. This is the domain. Domain R. Right, codomain right now. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to plus infinity. Codomain. This is the codomain R. R to R is the relation. Now see, 0 I will put 1 plus 0 square is 1. 1 plus 0 square is 1. 1 plus 0 you can put 0. 1 plus 0 square is 1. 1 we can put 1 plus 1 square is 2. Minus 1 you can put 1 plus minus 1 square is the 1. 1 plus 1 is the again 2. Two elements are have the same image. Therefore, it is not a 1, 1. Next, minus 2 also 5. Minus 2 also minus 2 square. 4 plus 1 is a 5. 4 plus 1 is a 5. 2 also 4 plus 5 is a 5. Middle 3 number not getting, 4 number not getting. Negative numbers are not getting. All are getting the positive values only. We are not getting the negative values. Therefore, it is not a surjective. Not a 1, 1, not a surjective. Now here is 1 plus x1 square is equal to 1 plus x2 square. 1, 1 cancel. 1 square is equal to x2 square. x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. Plus x2 minus x2 have the same image x1. Plus x2 minus x2 have the same image is the minus 1. Therefore, f is not injective. Right. Y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to, what is the f of x value? The 1 plus x square. Right, see. Y minus 1 is equal to x square. What is the x value is? So, root over minus 1. Every root is a positive values. So, they are getting the positive values only, no negative value. So, it is a greater than 0. We are getting the positive values only, no question of negative value. Therefore, codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is all the real numbers. Positive, only range is the positive values. Therefore, so it is not a surjective. F is not surjective. F is not surjective. Therefore, F is not surjective. Easily we can complete it. Figure draw means problem. Very easy for JE set. Any examination we can draw figure means within the second. This is the subject we are writing. But objective we can draw the figure. Two elements have the same image, not a 1, 1. So positive values only getting, negative values not getting. Therefore, it is not a onto it, not a 1, 1, not a onto answer. Within the seconds only we can solve. Okay, na? Within the seconds only we can solve this problem. Okay, na? Eighth problem one. Everyone see eighth problem. Eighth problem. Maximum I will try. No means tomorrow 9, 10, 11 I will complete. We have 5 minutes. Okay. Maximum I will try. Today 8th, 9th I am going to complete. Means today 2 problems. Tomorrow new compulsory we go through the composite functions. Okay, na? Compulsory we enter into the composite function tomorrow. Composite functions, inverse functions, everything we are going to discuss in that one tomorrow class. Okay, na? So 1.2 also going to complete it with clearly understanding for object to subject, everything we are going to complete it. Okay, na? Right. Everyone observe what is the given eighth problem is F map A cross B is the domain to B cross A is the codomain. Okay, na? Right. Defined by what he defined? F of A comma B f of a comma b is equal to b comma a. These are the model. F of a comma b, f of a comma b, f of a comma b, f of a comma b is equal to b comma a. So this is the general representation. 1 comma 2 we can take, or 2 comma 3 we can take, or 3 comma 4. This is the set builder form, general representation. So we can take a b place is the, we can take p comma q and q comma r, any element, but they should be side by side element. A, B, C, D, E, F, that type only. A and Z we can't take. A and C we can't take. Side by side element. A, B, B, C, or C, D, or A, D, E. That type of the elements we can take. This is the set builder form. Sir, only A, B is given. Only take A, B elements. Not necessary. Any element we can take. Okay, na? Right. First I will write one function. One function. F of for all x1 comma x2 belongs to A cross B, that implies such that, sorry, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We have to show that x1 is equal to x2. Everyone observe. Here, f of A1 and B1 I am taking by the f of A2 and B2 I am taking. For all A1, A2, B1, B2 belong to domains A cross B. Belong to A cross B. For all A1, A2, B1, B2 belongs to A cross B. Right. F of A1 I will take by the definition. F of AB is equal to reverse order B1 A1. Here also reverse order B2 A2. B2 A1, B2 A2. Two order pairs are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding B1 is equal to B2, A1 is equal to A2, B1 is equal to B2, A1 is equal to A2. So elements are equal. X1 is equal to X2 in the same way. B1 is equal to B2, A1 is equal to A2. Therefore, F is injective. Injective. Right. Is it clear? Right. On to function I am going on. On to function we can observe mean problem will be completed. Very easily problem should be completed. Only 1 minute is there. On to function, everyone see. On to function fast. On to function. Let y is equal to f of x. What is the y element is? So here y place is the b comma a is equal to f of x place is the a comma b. So every element of the domain have its image.